Hi, this is Stephen from myCableEngineering.com, and today I'll be doing a quick video on how to add a new project. I'm logged in as our tutorial user, and to run the application we click on Cable Engineering. Once the application is running, we can choose Manage Projects. To add a new project, we just click the plus button. The first two fields, project number and project name, are fields you can use to identify your project and tie it in with your own internal company systems. For the project number, I will just give it today's date. And the project name. At this stage, you could scroll down to the bottom of the form, click Save, and you're completely finished. However, there are some other options which you may find useful and you may want to look at. The first of these are the default values. When you initially create a cable, these values will be allocated to the cable. You can of course change them in the cable, but if you do have a lot of cables and your site conditions are similar throughout the site, it can save you a little bit of typing to enter the correct values here. You can enter values for soil thermal resistivity, ground temperature and air temperature. If you know the site values, you should enter them. If you don't know the site values, you can choose your country from the drop-down list, and the default values will be populated with the reference conditions from the IEC standards. In this instance, I will go back to the UK, but I will set the soil thermal resistivity to 2.2. The next section allows you to add other people and give them the ability to work on your cables. To add an additional contributor, you just need to enter the email address of a registered user. In this instance, I will use one of our testers. Click the Add Contributor button, and Eric is now listed as a contributor. This means that Eric can add, edit and delete cables for the project. If you no longer wish for somebody to be a contributor, you can remove them by clicking the Remove Contributor button. Finally, we have some branding options. When you print a cable report, by default, the myCableEngineering logo will appear at the top. You can change this to a logo of your choice by clicking the Change Your Logo link. Here, you can choose a new image. I will just select the My Electrical Engineering logo. And it's finished. If at any stage you want to revert to the default logo, you can click Change Your Logo and reset. Once you're finished with all your changes, just click the Save Changes button. And the project is now added. If you ever wish to edit your project, you can do this by clicking the Edit Project button. Otherwise, you can click the Manage Cables button to work on the cables for your project. That's the end of the tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and thanks for watching.